Welcome to this demonstration video for StreetSpeak AI. It is the first ever AI that turns any keyword into viral, addictive, street-style interview videos, so I am going to show you precisely how to create these videos in just a few minutes. So first we will proceed to My Projects area. Here you can observe all of your projects that you have produced. I am going to create a brand new project, and I am going to name it as Fitness. So I'm going to create a video on fitness niche. So there are three scenarios. In the first scenario, we will be interviewing one person in one location. Here you can have multiple guests. So one interviewer will be interviewing multiple guests at the same location. And here in the dynamic location, one interviewer will be interviewing multiple people and at different locations. Let us simply choose this option here so the presentation becomes more dynamic and the audience can follow more easily. Rachel clearly seems very fit, so we will interview two people about this. Next, we will choose our character, Jane. Then we will pick the other character as well. She looks perfect, Lisa. And again, you can even go ahead and create your own characters by adding a character here. Okay, so we've selected the two characters. What kind of format should we use? One with a solo interviewer where only the very person being interviewed is shown, or face-to-face, or reporter-style interviews, or full body shots as well. So let's use full body shots. Since they're very fit people, I am going to be using vertical videos today for this language, English. We can also choose horizontal for longer YouTube videos. This is intended for short-form videos. They go very viral, and there are 12 languages you can use, I think. That is how many characters we have chosen. We need to create two high-quality videos. Each should be 8 seconds long. Now, let us click Next. Okay, you're given an interview-style setup. The topic we're focusing on is fitness. You can pick from ready-made niche options here. So let's select fitness and health options. I don't need to type anything at all, okay? I have not yet touched the keyboard at all, except for simply typing the name. A small piece of advice can generate a set of questions and their respective answers. What is the best fitness tip? Here is the answer that comes. And if you want to change them, you can simply click on Generate to produce new options right away. Here there are 10 different, clearly distinct types of interview styles worldwide. Choose, yes, you can select an unpopular opinion and an exposed call-out red flag. These are the viral kinds of interview styles and templates that go viral on social media. And if you want to promote something, you can enable this feature. Add your product name, add your product details, a call to action, and that will be integrated right into your script. Let's take a look. Fitness X. Now, if you go to the questions and answers pairing section and click there, it will simply generate your questions and automatically integrate them right here in this space we're in. So let's try using this feature and see what happens. If you don't want it, you can even add your own custom questions and pairs. Now, let's choose the location scene we're working with. For the first question, what kind of scene are we in? Let's define it clearly: commercial, cinematic, worldwide in scope, custom. You can even describe a scene in which all of these background scenes appear. Urban city life, Indian-specific commercial lifestyle, and global. I'm keeping it simple. I need a lot of moving crowds, cloud-heavy crowd. We can also describe actions such as standing, walking together, or sitting, getting out of the car. Or you may simply choose some action, and for the second scene, let's attempt something different for this take. Times Square style. Okay, so I've selected this, click on Next, and this will generate our scenes. It's going to take a little bit of time though. Okay, the ones you're seeing are generated. If you think there's an issue, you can just click on the image here to regenerate it right now. Now, I am going to animate this scene so that I can generate all of the videos. After that, this will be processed to convert these into final videos. Okay then. You can clearly see that the characters have different appearances. These characters remain consistent in their behavior, and the location itself has changed. There will be a lot of traffic here with a moving crowd. Once this is finished, I will show you what it looks like. Okay, so I am going to reiterate the image, this one here. This particular button here regenerates my image. And now let's see exactly how it appears when it comes up. Fine, so my new image is generated. I'm going to convert this into a video. Thus, in the first item, there was indeed an issue. All right, both of my videos are now ready and prepared. I am going to proceed to the next step where I can add captions, And I can relocate these videos if I decide to use this. I can use this here as well. I can just add more clips from my personal library if I want to. Okay, then choose the captions. We have several different kinds of captions available here. You can freely edit these captions, making any changes you like. Let's adjust the size as needed. You can also change the font to whatever you prefer. You are able to change the color. For instance, you may even disable the captions as well if you need. And once that is ready, I am simply going to click on the next step. Okay, missed something. I need to click on Stitch Video so that it will merge both of these videos into a single video, and then you can simply download it right away. Okay, now my video is stitched together. Let's move on to the next option, and now I can download the final version of my video right away. Okay then, I will add a preview of this video right after the demonstration. Okay, this looks absolutely fantastic. Now we can quickly download this video. We can generate the hooks for your social media that you can use as the video title when you post it. You can regenerate it as many times as you wish. You may also use this description. You may readily utilize these YouTube tags and hashtags. For your social media accounts, you can even share it directly. And now I would like to demonstrate the characters to you. As you can see, we have several pre-made characters, and you can even craft your own avatars simply by describing your character, naming it, and choosing its features. And these are some suggestions and these are some details, but if you describe it, you can offer an exceedingly lengthy, highly detailed description of what your character is about, what he is wearing, how they behave. You can even have their outfits featuring your brand name in there. And you can even add your own personal characters. This is the character of the RAM that I generated by cloning. And these are all the characters that are built using custom avatars. And here you can discover my projects here. You can discover your old videos. You can favorite them to use them later. So that is all. So get your copy and I will surely see you inside.
How do I stay motivated?
Set clear goals and track progress. Programs like FitnessX can keep you focused. Check it out.
What's the key to fat loss?
Consistency is crucial. Follow a structured plan like FitnessX for lasting results.